Well, before cloud computing technology, disaster recovery planning, designing, and implementation is very complicated task. Let's suppose data center went down due to any security incident. It might be hacker attacked and locked your all infrastructure and applications. Or you can consider due to DDoS attack, all IT applications and services are freaking, or sometime due to natural disaster, whole data center is destroyed. So in all these scenarios, we need a site B, which is generally copy, or you can say replica of your site A data center by all means. But unfortunately, this scenario is very expensive. As we discuss, we need a same copy of data center, which means you need to deploy same compute, storage, network, and security equipment over there. And after this, operational cost is an other drastic issue. Generally, enterprise level organizations follow this scenario for sake of their financial benefits and credibility, as well to compete their market competitors. But for all organizations, this solution was not cost effective. Now, in today era, we have cloud computing technology, so we can tackle all these issues by utilizing this technology and prepare our site B with very limited budget and cost effective manner, because all know that we all know that cloud computing follow pay as you go model, which is cost effective. One more important thing is that this technology provide orchestrated model for replication, so operational cost is also very minimal. In this regard, Azure offer two major tools for this purpose. The first one is Azure Migrate, while at number two we have Azure Site Recovery, which is known as ASR. In coming episodes, we will get detailed concepts about these two major tools on the platform of Microsoft Azure. So let's move with the next episode.